Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, going into today, things were pretty crazy. Obviously, Friday was just a wild day, and now that things are wrapping up here on Monday to start a new week here, not a whole lot has changed from the previous video I did, other than the fact that there's really now kind of two solidified areas that I think are going to matter the most moving forward. And these are not great discoveries on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching them too, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And the two levels here that a lot of people are going to be continuing to watch from the resistance standpoint, still all about that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. So you're going to want to watch that. Current value of that is up there right around $13.40, but that is going to fluctuate given it is a moving average, so therefore that value is also going to move. But point being, that purple line there, 50-period moving average, still remains that key overarching area from the resistance side of things. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, still all about that level down there at the $11 mark, which is important because that's basically the level that's telling us whether the price is making progress or if the price is going back to where it was. Because if the price comes down here, bounces around, and then works its way back upwards, well, at least at that point, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have a set of lows there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, there you go. You got stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. But if the price were to go down there and then just break down through there, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have the price having gone right back to where it was at those lows, and that's just not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. So really, as straightforward as that. Main level of resistance, going to be that 50-period moving average. Key level of support, the key level, to help us gauge whether or not the price is making progress or not, down there at $11. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.